In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Evernote notes. If you've ever accidentally deleted a note and felt that sudden rush of panic, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process of getting your important information back. Recovering a note in Evernote is a fairly simple task, and I'll be walking you through each step to ensure you get your notes back quickly and without any hassle. First, you'll want to start by opening Evernote on your device. This is your primary hub for accessing all your important notes and information, so make sure you're signed into the correct account where your notes were originally created. Once you have Evernote open, take a look at the sidebar. If you're on a desktop or laptop, the sidebar is typically located on the left side of the screen where you'll find all your navigation options. Now, gently scroll down through the sidebar until you come across the option labeled Trash. This is where Evernote stores all your deleted notes temporarily. Think of it as a safety net, catching your notes before they vanish completely into the digital ether. It's always a good practice to regularly check your trash if you ever can't find a note you were sure you saved. Once you've located trash, click on it to see all the notes that have been deleted. This can sometimes feel like rummaging through an attic. You might find hidden gems along with the note you're looking for. Carefully look through these notes until you spot the one you need to recover. When you find the note that you want to retrieve, you'll need to right-click on it. Doing so will bring up a context menu with several options. In this list of options, look for one that says Restore Note. Click on Restore Note, and just like magic, your work is safely back in its original place. This process ensures that your hard work is never truly lost. By restoring your note, it will return to the folder it was in before being deleted. If you're unable to find your note in the trash, remember that items in trash can sometimes be permanently deleted if they've been there too long, so act swiftly when you realize a note is missing. Hopefully, this straightforward guide has provided you with the confidence and know-how to recover any notes you might accidentally delete in the future. Having your valuable information so easily retrievable can really provide peace of mind, allowing you to focus on your projects without the stress of permanent loss. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy Evernote tips and tricks.